Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by gathering your ingredients: about 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, 1/2 cup of milk, and roughly 6 Reese's peanut butter cups. You'll also need a good blender and a tall glass. This easy method will have you enjoying a creamy, dreamy milkshake in just a few minutes. It's perfect for a quick dessert or a sweet snack. First, scoop about 2 cups of vanilla ice cream into your blender. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of cold milk. Begin blending on a low setting, gradually increasing the speed until the mixture is smooth and creamy. If you prefer a thicker shake, add less milk. For a thinner consistency, add a little more. Now for the star ingredient, take about 6 Reese's peanut butter cups and roughly chop them. Add these delicious pieces to your blender with the ice cream and milk mixture. Blend for just a few seconds, pulsing until the Reese's are incorporated but still have small chunks for texture. Don't overblend, we want those delightful bits. Carefully pour your freshly blended Reese's milkshake into a tall, chilled glass. For an extra special touch, top it with a swirl of whipped cream and sprinkle a few more chopped Reese's peanut butter cups on top. Grab a straw and savor every sip of this incredibly easy and satisfying homemade treat. It's a perfect indulgence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.